welcome to TradeFlash. TradeFlash. The show where we give you the latest high, lows and whoop-de-doos. So what's the big news stories of the day that you need to be aware of right now? What are the biggest movers of the day of stock, currencies, cryptos, commodities, indices and more? So find out everything you need to know in today's episode of TradeFlash. TradeFlash. So let's have a look at the latest news. And for the news, Bitcoin hit a new record high and approaches $50,000 on Sunday, building on its record rally as Wall Street and Main Street increasingly adopt the world's biggest cryptocurrency. Donald Trump. And also in the news, the Senate on Saturday acquitted former President Donald Trump in a 57-43 vote on a charge of inciting the insurrection for his role in the January 6th US Capitol riot, which left 5 people dead, including a police officer. And also the UK downplays a risk of EU poaching City of London business. Britain on Sunday downplayed the risk of the European Union taking business away from the City of London after Brexit, saying the real challenges come from New York, Tokyo and other areas. And in the indices, the S&P 500 was plus 0.47%, the Dow 0.09%, the DAX also up at 0.06% and the FTSE also up at 0.94%. And in the US stock side of things, WNW was up plus 102.33% on Friday. Artello Biosciences was also up plus 63.19%. Some of the big earners in the UK was Ross Group, that was up plus 124%, and Rainbow Rare Earths Limited also up plus 37%. In the US, some of the big losers was minus 20% from FPP, and GCG was also down at negative 16.67%. And if we have a look at some of the others as well that came down, we have Fragrant, Prosperity Holdings, negative 20%, and Golden Rock Global, also down negative 16.67%. And in the currencies, the euro against the US dollar is down 0.03%. The US dollar is up against the Japanese yen at 0.16%. The GP dollar and the US dollar almost bang on at 0.01%. The Australian dollar down against the US dollar. The US dollar against the Canadian dollar also down, and the US dollar was up against the Swiss franc on Friday. In the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin again up against the US dollar at plus 3.60%. Ethereum now down at 0.1%. XRP was also down at 5.68%. And Bitcoin against the cash for the US dollar was plus 3.71%. In the commodities side of things, crude oil was up plus 2.11%, as well as natural gas. That was also up plus 1.53%. Brent oil, however, was evens on the day. Some of the agriculturals, such as coffee, that was down 0.04%, but cotton was up 1%. And some of the other ones that we look at as well, such as the metals, gold was down 0.20% and silver was up plus 1.04%. And now we're going to look at the week ahead. As you can see, we've got a lot of events coming up on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday this week. So that's it for today. You are now up to date. I'll be back for tomorrow with more. Remember, like, share and subscribe so you can be bang up to date with TradeFlash. TradeFlash.